This quick hack will make the connection much stronger and durable. With this measure tape hack you will be able to pinpoint and mark the desired length without much trouble. A few small cuts can perfectly fit any pipe into the carpet. Use this hack to take a break while painting. You only need to use your glove as covers to keep the brushes wet and your hands clean.
With this measure tape hack you will be able to pinpoint and mark the desired length without much trouble. You will need to find a plastic tube that fits any standard pencil or pen and drill a hole that goes through both ends. With one of the screw beside the measuring tape, secure the plastic tube and insert your pencil. After heating the nut, it melts the pipe partially leaving an indentation that, once cool, can be used to screw it. Create an improvised compass and draw perfect circumferences anywhere. Place a piece of foam tube around your electric drill to easily screw a nut. This tip makes the job easy and quick.
Drill a hole on a wooden bar and place a screw tip to cut open any cable. Surface tension makes the liquid stick to the nail, preventing a mess while filling a tank.
This dust bowl does a great job capturing the drywall debris from flying everywhere.
Reuse a bike chain to create a pliable surface. It works perfectly to create a joint between two boards.
You can use nylon tears to easily a pipe in place.
You can quickly solder the open wire with a piece of copper pipe. Attach it to soldering iron and place some pieces of soldering wire in it and solder the open wire.